Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a public profile on Snapchat. If you're looking to start posting spotlights or other public content, I've got you covered. Creating a public profile is super easy, so just follow along with everything I do, and you'll be able to set it up in no time. But first, make sure your Snapchat app is fully updated. Once your app is updated, open Snapchat and tap on your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page. Now scroll down a little, and in the public profile section, you should see an option that says Create Public Profile. If you don't see it, there could be a few reasons why. The first reason you might not see it is if your account is set to private. To fix this, tap the settings icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to Privacy and make sure your account is set to public. You'll need to change a few settings like turning off ghost mode for your location and setting View My Story to Everyone. Go through all the privacy options and ensure they're set to everyone. Once that's done, your account should be fully public and you should be able to create a public profile. If you still don't see the option, it could be because your age is set under 18. Snapchat only allows users 18 and older to create a public profile. If that's the case, you might want to create a new account with the correct age set to 18. And then you'll be able to create a public profile. Once you've handled the settings, go back to your profile, and you should now see the Create Public Profile option. Tap that, and it'll bring you to a page asking if you want to create a public profile. Click Get Started at the bottom of the screen. Then, simply click Create, and Snapchat will set up your public profile. Once it's created, you can scroll up to find My Public Profile and tap on it. From there, you can edit and customize your public profile however you like. And that's how you create a public profile on Snapchat. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.